Keep on, I said it ain't gon' stop. It ain't gon' stop, it ain't gon' flop. Stop acting like we ain't so hot.
Going on, this is Inflewence, and I'm back with an unboxing. It is the SodaStream from Amazon. It's make fuzzy water. I like drinking carbonated water, so let's get into it. So we're going to do this unboxing and see what's popping. I have a link in the description for this. Please do me a favor and like, subscribe, and share. And subscribe. I know I said that before, but I would like to say it again. Please subscribe. So, see what you get with this bundle. So we got some of these. So you got lime drops, orange drops. Let's make orange water. Oh, this is the CO2 canister, so be careful. This is a pressurized bomb. It did have a lot of warnings when it came, so it was kind of a little jarring, but I knew what it was. I knew because it was a CO2. Get SodaStream bottle, so you don't ever have to buy bottles or get bottles again. I'm sure you can if you want to buy bottles, but you don't have to. Get another bottle. So you get two bottles, CO2, and two things. So then you get, I believe this is the SodaStream. Alrighty, let's throw this down, and then we gonna be unboxing. This is kind of cool. So this is what you get in this bundle, and let's see what's in here. I'm sure it's the device, but I don't know if anything else comes with it. Oh, so then you get another bottle. So you got bottles for life. Got a lot of bottles. Then you get the CO2. So with this bundle, you're gonna have two CO2s. I'm not sure how long they last, but yeah, I don't know. And let me see what it's billed. If it says how long they last. Let me look. Nope. Don't say. It's pretty big though. I would assume it'll last a little decent. So you get the books and I believe the actual machine. Let's bubble. And you have the machine right here. So got the books and stuff. It's really streamlined. I thought it was bigger, but I guess that's a good thing. Save space. And it has one SodaStream bottle can replace 2,000 plastic bottles, which is cool. I'm all about not wasting stuff. I'm trying to see if it has little directions on how to use it, which you should be doing, which is cool. And that's it. Just instructions. And that's all. So recapping, you get the machine, you get two CO2s, get 3 bottles, which is great. Trying to get the lighting together because it's, I don't know what's going on. But yeah, you get 3 bottles, which is good. How size? How? It's 0.89 quarts. I guess that's the fill line. because when it fizzes, it'll probably go farther. So 0.89 quarts. I don't know what that is, but it's a pretty decent sized bottle, so that's good. You got lime drops, unsweetened, naturally flavored. We're gonna see how those taste, because I heard they don't taste that great, but we're gonna try it out anyway. I heard it's better to use real fruit, which is a good thing. I mean, it's always good to use real fruit anyway, but I'm gonna test those and see what they taste like. Hopefully they're pretty good. If not, I'm still drink it, but probably won't use it again. But yeah, this is SodaStream. So yeah, I might do a review on it after I use it a couple times, but I will get up with you guys. Link in the description. Share, like, subscribe, please. Peace.
Hip hop, I feel, I gotta say, who am I, you might say, influence, and I spit better than most in this game, provoking thought with no cocaine.